Rib number 64, 3, 2, 1. Go!
He didn't even have a stand. Nick just wants to back to...
This is Nick Page, Wasatch Freestyle team. Nick Page on the red line.
Come on, bud. Please. He got the first.
Give it up, Nick Page. Way to go, Nick. Nice run there.
Judges are ready. Timer's ready. Rib number 64, 3, 2, 1. Go!
From the Wasatch, Nick Page.
Great back leg.
Nick ripping it down the red line here on the red course from Wasatch Freestyle. Oh, Nick Page, Zach Carriolis, and all the J13s going big here. They all know today is it. It's the last swan song of the season, so you might as well put it out there.